Hola, bienvenidos al programa de Cocinar de Sopapillas con Aleah. Today we will be making sopapillas. Ingredientes: una taza de azúcar y una cucharita, una cuchara de canela, 1 y 3/4 tazas de harina y más para masa, 2 cucharitas de levadura en polvo, 4 cucharitas de sal, 2 cucharas Crisco frío, 2/3 tazas de agua fría, 1.5 tazas de canola. So you're going to combine the azúcar and the canela. And then you're gonna mix it. When you're done, you're gonna set it aside. Then you're going to mix the harina, levadura en polvo, and sal. So then what you're going to do is you are going to mix it all together. So you're gonna work in the Crisco or shortening to the powder until it forms like really coarse crumbs. So then you're gonna add the agua. And remember, that has to be super cold. Now you're gonna take some flour and you're gonna just kind of, just put it around on whatever surface you're gonna be doing this on. And you're going to take some dough. You don't have to take all of it at once, and you just start kneading it. So now you're going to take plastic wrap and you're going to cover your dough with it and let it sit for 15 minutes. So I removed the plastic wrap, and now what you have to do is take some flour and just kind of lightly coat a rolling pin. And you're going to take the dough and you're going to roll it out till it's flat. And now you want to cut the dough into a bunch of rectangle pieces. You're going to take a large pan and you're going to set the heat to medium. And we're going to put some oil in it. So we're going to let the pan warm up a little bit. I'm going to put these in batches of 5 each. And you're gonna cook for about 1.5 minutes until they're golden and they've gotten puffy. This is how they will look when they're finished. Kind of light brown and puffy. Now you're going to take them individually and drench them in the cinnamon and sugar mix. This is what they will look like when you're finished. Excelente. Thank you for watching. Gracias. Adios.